All right, we've been in the hot water for 4 minutes. I just took her out, and I don't want to mess with her face paint here, but she's very squishy. I have this rat-tailed comb, and that's what I've been using. Oh, and you can see here a blob of glue came out just from soaking in there. And I'm just going to work that around up inside the head there so that hopefully would loosen anything else that might be holding hair. And it's like you're kind of flying blind. Stay, off of the face, just work in those areas where the hair was rooted. And these pieces back here in the back have been really stubborn. And to compound things, of course, I cut them short, which I've now learned is not a good thing. It would actually be better if they were left about 1/8 of an inch long instead of so short. But there, I mean, you can see what's coming out of there. And it is nice and soft now, and that helped tremendously, really soften that mess up. I would love to be able to get up inside that head better than I've been able to here. But I think we're good. I've been doing this process under this lighted magnifier. It's 5 times magnification, so I can look and see if there's just any little bitty hairs in there, and then get rid of those and pluck those out. But yes, it seems like this really did the trick, and you can see I'm getting all kinds of hair bits out of there. I really think this hot water is the bomb as far as getting the hair out rather than putting too much stress on that vinyl. And this way you're softening it and the glue inside up. And even if that glue isn't all rolling out, the neck hole, it's still falling off the inside of that head. I mean, it just has to be. Yeah, that one there is still going to be stubborn, but okay, we're almost entirely plucked here. I've never plucked a chicken, but I don't know. I'm kind of thinking it might be the same process here. Maybe this is a little worse. It just makes an awful sound, doesn't it? That hair there is actually loose. And I see under the magnifier here, I'm going to have to go in here and be a little more meticulous. But it's interesting how these are rooted. I did watch a video on it the other day, and they actually use a sewing machine to do it. I mean, it's a special machine, obviously, to put in hair. But this part down the middle, I see, is rooted really closely. And I've not seen anyone address how to do bangs, so I'll be learning that on my own, although this doll won't have bangs, but my Jade will. But I'm thinking that's what, an extra row here is needed for. All right, I'll keep plucking, and then as soon as we're up here to my standards, we'll start the rooting video.